One owner 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS with a clean Carfax report and only 30,000 miles. Hyundai has done it again. They have made a great SUV here that provides dependability, high build quality, and efficiency that we have come to know and love. Under the hood of this Santa Fe is a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission that will get you up to 25 miles to the gallon. The interior of this Santa Fe is tan in color and has many options to look over. Just a few features inside this Santa Fe is Bluetooth connectivity and hands-free calling on the steering wheel, and power windows. This SUV makes a great family vehicle for any occasion and offers all-wheel drive that will get you and your family home safely in most conditions. Call us or come in today to set up your no-obligation test drive. We will make the deal. Joe Holland Signature Series certified, as this vehicle has passed our high standards inspection process through our state-of-the-art service facility for your quality assurance. Our goal is for you to have a smooth and memorable buying experience, then to drive away with peace of mind. We'll do our best to give you a great deal and make your process easy. Joe Holland, expect a different experience. We will make the deal. 1-855-468-9491